Hi, this is Miss Nancy at the Crown Point Community Library. Today, I'm bringing the library into your home with a story and a birthday celebration. The author whose birthday we're celebrating today is Michael Rosen. Michael Rosen was born on May 7th, 1946. This year, he turns 75 years old. Happy birthday, Michael Rosen. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Mr. Rosen. He lives in London, England. He is a performer, a broadcaster, a father, and a poet. Many of his poems he wrote about when he was a child. When he was a child, he liked to perform and tell stories. Mr. Rosen started college. When he started college, he decided he wanted to study medicine. So he went to school for a little bit, and then he decided that's really not what he wanted to do. He switched and began to study English language and literature. Since then, he's written 140 books. His first children's book was published in 1974, and that book is called Mind Your Own Business. Behind me, I have a few books that were written by Michael Rosen. Another book that he wrote, which you may have heard or read, is called We're Going on a Bear Hunt. The book I'm going to share with you today is called Tiny Little Fly. This was written by Michael Rosen and published by Candlewick Press. Tiny Little Fly. My oh my, tiny little fly. Tiny little fly sees great big toes. Tiny little fly sits on elephant's nose. Great big elephant winks one eye, says to himself, I'm going to catch that fly. Great big elephant winks the other eye. Tramp, crush, tramp. But off flies the fly. My oh my, tiny little fly. Tiny little fly says, what's this here? Do you know? Great big hippo and settles on his ear. Great big hippo winks one eye, says to himself, I'm going to catch that fly. Great big hippo winks the other eye, roll, squash, roll, but off flies the fly. My oh my, tiny little fly. Tiny little fly sees some stripy paws. Do you know whose paws those are? It's a great big tiger and settles on her claws. Great big tiger winks one eye, says to herself, I'm going to catch that fly. Great big tiger winks the other eye, swoop, snatch, swoop, but off flies the fly. Great big elephant, tramp, crush, tramp. Great big hippo, roll, squash, roll. Great big tiger, swoop, snatch, swoop. Tiny little fly, 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 fly. tiny little fly winks one eye. See you all soon. Bye, everyone. Bye. So that was Tiny Little Fly by Michael Rosen. I hope you enjoyed that story. We have these books here at the library, and you can always check out our website, www.crownpointlibrary.org, to find out more about our programs and books that we have here at the library and other materials. Thanks so much for listening. Have a wonderful day. Happy birthday, Michael Rosen.